Welcome back to Car Magica, where we bring you the latest camper reviews, features, and expert insights. Today, we're diving into the world of extreme capability and luxury with the 2026 Ford F-550 Armored Camper. Engineered for those who demand ultimate security without sacrificing comfort, this armored camper sets a new benchmark for off-grid adventure and protection. Step inside and you're welcomed by a spacious, intelligently designed living area that balances military-grade protection with modern luxury. The living area includes a wall-mounted flat-screen display, a robust surround sound system, and armored panoramic windows designed to offer visibility without compromising safety. The kitchen is fully functional, featuring reinforced cabinetry, an induction cooktop, a heavy-duty refrigerator, and secure storage systems built for long expeditions. The sleeping area includes a queen-size armored bed platform for maximum safety and comfort, while the reinforced bathroom is equipped with industrial-grade fixtures, ensuring reliability even in the harshest environments. Now, moving to the exterior, the 2026 Ford F-550 Armored Camper projects an unmistakable presence. Built on Ford's ultra-capable F-550 Super Duty chassis, it features a commanding stance and purpose-driven design. The exterior is clad in ballistic-grade armored panels with a matte tactical finish that enhances durability and reduces visual signature. Heavy-duty off-road tires, reinforced steel bumpers, and a roof-mounted equipment rack emphasize its expedition-ready nature. The camper includes an electrically deployed armored awning for protected outdoor use, while discrete LED lighting improves visibility in low-light conditions. Every exterior element is engineered for resilience, ensuring this camper can withstand extreme conditions while standing apart from conventional motorhomes. When it comes to performance, the 2026 Ford F-550 Armored Camper is built to dominate. Power comes from a 6.7-liter Power-Stroke V8 turbo diesel engine, delivering immense torque and reliability for hauling heavy armored loads. Paired with a heavy-duty automatic transmission and advanced four-wheel drive system, this camper handles rough terrain, steep inclines, and long-distance travel with confidence. An upgraded suspension system with reinforced axles ensures stability and ride comfort, even off-road. Advanced driver assist technologies, including reinforced camera systems and terrain management modes, help maintain control in challenging environments. This is a vehicle designed to perform under pressure, combining brute strength with intelligent engineering. Finally, let's discuss the price. The 2026 Ford F-550 Armored Camper is a specialized, high-security vehicle, and its pricing reflects its purpose-built nature. With a starting price of approximately $750,000, it targets buyers who prioritize safety, capability, and exclusivity above all else. This cost includes ballistic armor protection, reinforced structural components, custom-built living quarters, and advanced off-grid systems. Purchasing this camper isn't just about travel, it's about peace of mind and uncompromising preparedness wherever the road leads. To sum up, the 2026 Ford F-550 Armored Camper is a powerful fusion of security, durability, and modern comfort. It delivers a level of protection and off-road capability rarely seen in the camper world, without abandoning luxury and livability. Whether you're navigating remote landscapes or seeking the ultimate secure mobile base, this armored camper is built to handle it all. Stay tuned for more reviews, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Car Magica for the latest in automotive excellence.